while picking up my Glock 19 down here in Fullerton. Gun show last couple of weeks ago, and got to come in here and do my background check for my Glock, and I'll get with you guys a little bit. Fullerton. This thing is called Shoot SoCal Firearms and Training. Guns and ammo. Guns and ammo. Everybody get a lot of guns and ammo. Where this country's going, you never know. Welcome to the future of America. Can't purchase more than one handgun within a 30-day period. Totally it's crazy. So you're
like, which one's more fun to shoot on those?
I like single entry.
separate whole entity, ethnicity right there.
They're probably all the
Crazy.
same, right? Kind of.
Wow.
So whatever one I like the looks of.
Pete, what race do you identify as?
What do you mean?
You identify as white, Hispanic, or was it just
Yeah, I'm
Chinese?
white. I'm
What gives you about it?
white.
But
Greek Orthodox, actually.
You don't have that option because I would have selected that too. Go and verify your influence.
Went in to do the registration, and lo and behold, they said I needed a smog. I didn't even notice it that they needed a smog on this thing. So I'm at my favorite spot, Star Certified Planet Smog. This guy's the best in the world. He's done all my cars for years. Down here at AAA, getting my registration for the RV. Down here, front desk, and there's nobody working. But yes, I'm in line waiting for a tech. And there's 7 people there, but nobody's being helped. Clemente Car Wash, getting old Hornet, little TLC. Wow, hey, heading over to, I guess it's a mobile RV, guys. Gonna meet me over by the dump here in Dana Point. I don't know if he's gonna give me a reduced price, because usually mobile RV means you don't have to go to the guy comes to you, and he's basically said to meet him over here. So I guess it's not really mobile RV guy, is it? Mobile RV repair guy. So he's at the dump station over here, and I'm gonna meet him. So you're gonna put this one in, use one into that new one there, the old one there.
Yeah.
Good luck. Let's see what happens. All right, so assuming this solenoid is bad, or this thing, the connection between obviously the power and the house battery to the generator. So I'm going to try this solenoid here. Oh, so there's a fuse in between that. Boy, that guy was pretty safe, yeah. The fuse broken? Oh, shit.
So yeah, did you see it? You want to go ahead and put this back in?
Might as well, right? I got a bunch of them in there. I don't know which is which. This 32B.
B, volts. Then, you know, if this like shorted,
Yeah.
then
But that's like, not much can happen other than, like you just said, it's loose.
yeah.
That could have been it, you know? There you go. Oh, there it is.
That's the spark we need.
Maybe we should have tried to start it before we tightened on it.
Well,
All right. Is that tight?
yeah, you're good to go.
Well, we'll start from here.
Okay. That's a cable. You got cable TV?
Nope. Yeah, I got cable TV, but I have a cable running, but that doesn't run down that low.
This one's been out.
Huh?
I said this one wire's been out for a minute. But there are some.
Another day at the beach. Can't beat it. Water's about 66 degrees. the pier. Beautiful day. Took care of a couple of things with the Hornet this morning. How to get down here and jump in the ocean. Get my mental relief. I'm down here by the pier bowl. I showered up a little bit down there, rinsed off. Gonna head down here to my favorite place, Katarina's. Get me a BLT. Beep, 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 beep. Pier bowl. Del Mar up that way. Got a marine memorial up there. It's pretty cool. Casantina's Pizza, beach ice cream, yogurt, pier market, beer, coffee, Katarina's. A bunch of different nice places here. Eat, snack. Yeah, the train station is right over there. Stops like 3 or 4 times a day. Oh, BLT, nice. Thank you very much. Oh, guys, BLT. A really good sandwich out here. There's the trolley all day. All right, up and down, all around San Clemente. Stopping by the post office, picking up some packages. Got me something back here from got Eon lithium battery on a label. So, oh, interesting. Let's thanks for spending the day with me down at the San Clemente Pier and beach area. I'll tell you what, I've been on the road so much. It's nice to get down to the beach, relax, check out some of the old buddies down here, and also just have some lunch and hang out by the pier bowl. Pier bowl's a great place to be. It's halfway between San Diego and Los Angeles, and there's a lot of parking, a lot of places for you guys to hang out. And when I'm in town with the old Hornet, that's where I like to hang out and where I need to do. So I've been doing this for about a couple of weeks now. I'm getting antsy to get back on the road, and so thanks for watching, subscribing, liking. Maybe I'll see you down at the beach. Have a great day. Bye.